Struggling to shed that stubborn belly fat? You're not alone. Our holistic approach to not just lose weight, but transform your lifestyle. Start your journey to a healthier, more confident you today. Just a polite reminder that this video is for educational purposes only and that you should always consult your doctor before utilizing any natural cures. Number 1. Understanding and targeting your body mass index, or BMI. The body mass index is a simple calculation used to assess whether a person has a healthy body weight for a person of their height. It's a standard tool that can indicate if you're underweight, at a healthy weight, overweight, or obese. The formula to calculate BMI is: alternatively, if you're working with pounds and inches, you can use the following formula and then convert the result to the BMI standard. Remember, while BMI can be a useful tool for assessing weight-related health risk, it doesn't directly measure body fat or account for muscle, mass, age, sex, and racial differences. Thus, it should be used as part of a broader assessment of health. The body mass index categories: underweight, BMI less than 18.5, normal weight, BMI 18.5 to 24.9, overweight, BMI 25 to 29.5, obese, BMI 30 or more. The obese category is further divided into 3 subclasses to provide more detailed information about the level of obesity. Class 1, moderate obesity, BMI 30 to 34.9. Class 2, severe obesity, BMI 35 to 39.9. Class 3, very severe or morbid obesity, BMI 40 or higher. These categories help individuals and healthcare providers understand health risks related to body weight and guide decisions about lifestyle, diet, and medical interventions to improve health outcomes. Number 2. Diet modifications for optimal fat loss. Embarking on your journey towards optimal fat loss requires more than just a simple reduction in daily calorie intake. It demands strategic diet modifications that not only help you achieve a caloric deficit, but also ensure your body receives the necessary nutrients to function efficiently and healthily. Achieving a caloric deficit. The cornerstone of fat loss is burning more calories than you consume. This doesn't mean drastic calorie cuts, which can be counterproductive and unsustainable. Instead, focus on minor reductions and making healthier food choices that contribute to a caloric deficit without compromising nutritional value. Balancing macronutrients. Proteins, fats, and carbohydrates play pivotal roles in managing body weight. Protein is essential for preserving muscle mass during weight loss, enhancing satiety, and increasing metabolic rate due to its thermogenic effect. Incorporate lean protein sources like chicken, fish, legumes, and dairy into your meals. Healthy fats, especially monounsaturated fats found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, help regulate appetite and fat storage. Selecting the right kind, such as fiber-rich fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, can aid digestion and improve satiety. Incorporating supplements and vitamins. While there's no substitute for a balanced diet, certain supplements can complement your fat loss efforts. Green tea extract, known for its metabolism-boosting properties, and conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA, which may help reduce body fat, are examples. Essential vitamins and minerals like B vitamins and iron support energy levels and efficient metabolism. Hydration. Drinking sufficient water supports digestion, helps in nutrient absorption, and can prevent overeating by ensuring you're adequately hydrated before meals. If you find this content beneficial, kindly like, subscribe, and enable notifications for ongoing nutrition updates, and I'll put some links down below in the video description. Coming back now to number 3, effective exercise strategies. While no single exercise can target belly fat exclusively, certain workouts can help you lose fat more efficiently by improving your metabolism and increasing your overall fat loss. Let's dive into the exercise strategies that stand out for their effectiveness and sustainability. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT. This training method alternates between intense bursts of activity and short periods of rest, or lower-intensity exercise. It's not only time-efficient, burning a significant number of calories in a short period, but it also boosts your metabolism for hours after the workout. Exercises such as sprinting, jumping jacks, or burpees can be incorporated into HIIT sessions to keep them varied and engaging. Strength training. Strength training helps build muscle mass, and more muscle means a higher resting metabolic rate. Incorporating exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses into your routine not only burns calories but also strengthens your body. Targeting all major muscle groups ensures balanced development and maximizes fat burning. Cardiovascular exercises. Consistent cardio exercises such as running, swimming, or cycling are essential for burning calories and improving overall heart health. The key is to find a cardio activity you enjoy and can stick with long-term, ensuring consistency. Core strengthening workouts. Strengthening your core can improve your posture, reduce back pain, and enhance the appearance of your abdominal area. Exercises like planks, Russian twists, and leg raises not only tone the midsection, but also support a strong foundation for other activities. Flexibility and recovery. Incorporating stretching and recovery practices, such as yoga or Pilates, can improve flexibility, reduce injury risk, and enhance your overall exercise performance. Adopting a well-rounded exercise plan that you enjoy is the key to consistency and success in losing stubborn belly fat. Tailoring your routine to include a mix of HIIT, strength training, cardiovascular exercises, and core workouts, complemented by proper recovery, will provide a solid foundation for achieving your fat loss goals. Number 4. Lifestyle adjustments for sustainable results. Achieving sustainable fat loss transcends mere diet and exercise. It necessitates comprehensive lifestyle adjustments. Here, we'll delve into key lifestyle adjustments that yield sustainable results. Quality sleep. The cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle is adequate, restorative sleep. Poor sleep patterns are linked to increased hunger and appetite, primarily due to the impact on hormones like ghrelin and leptin, which regulate hunger. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to support weight loss efforts and overall health. Stress management. Chronic stress can lead to an increase in cortisol, a hormone that promotes fat storage, particularly around the abdomen. Integrating stress reduction techniques such as meditation, yoga, or even simple deep breathing exercises into your daily routine can mitigate the adverse effects of stress on your body and mind. Increase non-exercise activity thermogenesis. Non-exercise activity thermogenesis, or NEAT, or the calories burned during everyday activities outside of structured exercise, can contribute significantly to your daily caloric expenditure. Simple adjustments like taking the stairs instead of the elevator, standing while working, or walking during phone calls can increase your NEAT, boosting your metabolism and aiding in weight loss. Supportive environment. Surrounding yourself with a supportive community, whether online or in person, can enhance your weight loss journey. Sharing goals, challenges, and successes with friends, family, or support groups can provide motivation, accountability, and valuable advice for overcoming obstacles. Number 5. Long-term strategies for maintaining results. Maintaining weight loss over the long term is often more challenging than the initial journey of losing weight. Success in this area requires not just a temporary change, but a permanent shift in lifestyle habits. Here, we'll explore strategies that are key to sustaining weight loss results and ensuring that the effort put into achieving a healthier weight pays off for a lifetime. Adopting a balanced diet. A varied diet rich in essential nutrients supports metabolism and helps prevent cravings for less healthy food options. Incorporating a mix of vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats ensures your body receives the comprehensive nourishment it needs. Regular physical activity. Strength training and cardiovascular workouts like running or swimming must be done consistently to burn calories and maintain muscle mass. The goal is to incorporate at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity per week, as recommended by health experts. Monitoring your progress. Keeping an eye on your weight with regular check-ins can help you notice trends and make adjustments before minor setbacks turn into significant weight regain. Mindful eating practices. Developing a mindful relationship with food, eating slowly, recognizing hunger cues, and enjoying each bite can enhance the satisfaction derived from meals and help prevent overeating. Mindfulness is about being present and making conscious food choices that align with your body's needs. Continuous learning. Embracing new foods, workouts, and health strategies can keep your journey to maintaining weight loss fresh and exciting. In conclusion, long-term weight maintenance is about creating and sustaining healthy habits that fit your lifestyle. If you're as passionate about nutrition and its benefits as I am, don't miss out. Tap the screen here to embark on a journey through the world of nutrition and discover how it can enhance your health and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey to tips to lose stubborn belly fat faster. Embrace health, celebrate life.